Hello to you all. Welcome to another weekly vlog. It's been a really constructive week this week. Myself and Paul have been down to Cardiff Bay, where we had the opportunity to meet face to face with the new Cabinet Minister, Leah Griffith, and talk to him about those issues that really matter to our members, whether that is around the need to evolve the sustainable farming scheme, talking about bovine TB pressures, the water quality regulations, that overall burden of regulations, or our ambition for a national food strategy that can truly develop the potential that sits within Welsh agriculture. We also had a chance to meet face-to-face with Andrew R.T. Davis of the Welsh Conservatives and with Laura Ann Jones of Reform UK Wales in their shadow roles, and it was great to have really constructive conversations with them. Then later this week, myself and Paul had interviews with BBC Radio Cymru and BBC Radio Wales off the back of an announcement by the Cabinet Minister that he is prepared to look at and evolve the closed period that sits within the water quality regulations. This is around the spreading of nutrients on the land, slurry and muck. It's really, really welcome to see that the Cabinet Minister has recognised that the recommendations from the independent review that happened last year with Dr. Susanna Bolton and the work that we have done at NFU Cymru, that there is an opportunity to evolve the closed period and utilise technology that will enable better spreading rather than going by an arbitrary calendar date. This is something we've fought for a very long time. We were the only organisation that took Welsh Government to court because we were adamant that these regulations were not right. And it is great to now finally see that we're starting to get movement on this, and we're very supportive of the work that the Cabinet Minister is doing in this area. Other good news as well, the UK government have agreed to freeze the potential uplift that there was going to be in tax on red diesel. This will be frozen until the end of the year. This is very welcome and off the back of significant lobbying by the NFU. And then finally, a few bits of good news I want to finish off on. I want to wish a massive good luck to the Hawkstone Choir, to our members who are within the choir, and particularly to our very own group secretary, Alec Griffiths, as well. We wish you the very best of luck. We're really proud of you. We're going to be rooting for you all the way in Britain's Got Talent. And likewise to the DPJ Foundation team who are about to embark on a trek at Machu Picchu, raising money for rural mental health support. We're so proud of everything that you do. We've got great weather coming up this weekend. It may be a bit hot for us who are working outdoors, but I hope that right across the land, barbecues are going to be fired up and that Welsh meat is going to be sat on those barbecues. So for now, have a great weekend, everyone.